mind as far as commodities go. Manisha is here with that. Manisha, morning.
Thank you for that, Prashant. Well, top of mind is absolutely gold. I could do a bit of a song and dance on that. The way the markets have moved on to this one, 2% of gains in the overnight markets, and we're trading above $25-60 an ounce. Well, that is what the gold prices have done, actually. It's traded 4% up in the last 1 month, 34% up when you look at as compared to in last 12 months. And for the year, we are up 22% as well. So it has been good going. And the important point is that this gold prices are gaining, even as various other asset classes also seem to be surging higher. Well, when you look at the way the prices have moved, this is also coming on the back of ECB cutting interest rates by 25 basis points yesterday. This has been a second time. The last time ECB cut rates was the month of June. So July, nothing happened. August, none as well. And then we've seen happen it in September. The markets also are looking at the US Fed rate cut estimates for the next week. 25 basis points is now an 87% probability and a 13% chance of a 50 basis point rate cut as well. But the markets clearly are reacting to the US unemployment data, which has seen a rise. The overall inflation seems to have eased, so the market's clearly reacting to that as well. And it is not just the US Fed meeting. You have Bank of England and Bank of Japan monetary policy meetings as well in the next week. And then the buying has been very strong from investors, HNIs, hedge funds, money managers. Net longs now stand at a 5-year highs. So that tells you the kind of interest the markets have on gold right now. Well, also all the profit taking, all the corrections that we've seen in case of gold have been very shallow, and gold has seen buying on every dip in the last couple of years or so. This is what we've done in sense of prices in this year itself. So the low was at 1992, and from those kind of levels, and this was the kind of level that we saw in the month of Feb. Since then, we've seen prices continue to gain up, trading at 25.60 right now. The year started with 2058. So from those kind of levels as well, we are more than $500 up for the year for the gold prices. Now, going forward as well, the expectation is that you could be looking at higher highs from here. This is the gold outlook forecast that I've collated from various reports there. Citi believes 2,500 of an average for this year. Wisdom Tree talks about 2,585. JP Morgan also believes that 2,500 of an average is where the gold prices will be for the fourth quarter as well. And then you have Bank of America talking about 3,000. This is for 2025. Goldman Sachs talks about 2,700 as well, and this is for next year as well. And you also have similar kind of reports coming in from various other parties which are talking about levels of anywhere between 2,700. That is what Metal Focus tells us. So 2,700 to 3,000 really seems to be the range for the next year. And most of these banks and brokerages also believe that not just 2024, but 25, 26, and until 2027, they are quite bullish.
All right, Manisha, thank you very much for that. Well, let's take